Get your camping trip ready with these excellent tips. Get your brain ready to invest time into learning about camping. A camping trip is a great opportunity to share an adventure with your friends or family. If you desire to get the maximum out of your camping experience, make sure that your mind is fully engaged before you continue watching. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Pre-cool your ice chest by filling it with loads of ice, at least 6 hours prior to departure. When you are about to leave, pack up your refrigerated cooled drinks and block ice, not cubed. Popping room temp beverages will take up valuable ice life, and the cubes will melt much quicker than a block. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the blood stream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Try to get to the campsite well before nightfall. This allows you to get a feel for the lay of the land and gives you the opportunity to set up camp while you can still see what you are doing. In addition, it lets your children feel a little more comfortable with their surroundings because they will have time to explore. Always keep a close eye on yourself, your family, and your possessions, as they will all get a little dirty. Don't stress out when it inevitably happens. Allow yourself to be improper, messy, and just let go while outside. You can clean up when you get back home. If you are using a tent for camping, put a great deal of thought into buying your tent. Consider the climate. Consider your price range. How often will you be using this tent? You don't want to buy a tent that won't be able to stand up to the elements. At the same time, you don't need to pay a fortune for a tent you plan to only use once. With everything that you learned about camping, you should feel a good sense of security in knowing that you know a good deal about camping. Camping can be an extra fun experience for those that know what they are doing. Fortunately, you should now be prepared. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.